Hi guys, in front of me is MatePad Pro, and let me show you how to clear browsing data on this device. So at first you need to open the browser that you are using. Let's open some websites. So we've got the history. And now, if you wish to clear your data, tap on more icon, then select bookmarks and history. And here you will notice history, so just click on this icon and smoothly remove your history by tapping on this removal icon. And if you truly want to do it, if you truly want to remove all history data, just tap on clear. And as you can see, it is done, so there's no history here. And that will be all. This is it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.